12 Impressive Reasons Why Pineapple is the Ultimate Superfood. Pineapple, known for its juicy sweetness and vibrant flavor, is more than just a tropical treat. This delicious fruit is packed with essential nutrients, antioxidants, and enzymes that contribute to a wide range of health benefits. From boosting digestion to supporting immunity, pineapple is a superfood worth adding to your daily diet. In this video, we explore the key health benefits of pineapple and why it deserves a prominent place in your nutrition plan. Before we proceed, please note that everything mentioned in this video is unbiased, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. Number 1. Shields against skin harm. A single serving of pineapple provides 78.9 milligrams of vitamin C, meeting 88% and 105% of the daily value for adult males and females, respectively. As an antioxidant, vitamin C is crucial for maintaining healthy skin and producing collagen. Additionally, it can assist in combating skin damage from sunlight and environmental pollutants. Number 2. Potential aid in recuperation. Pineapple might shorten recovery periods following physical activity and surgical procedures. Its carbohydrates can assist in restoring energy depleted during exercise, while bromelain may provide anti-inflammatory effects post-surgery. Studies suggest bromelain could play a beneficial role in surgical care. It may lessen inflammation, puffiness, bruising, and discomfort after dental and dermatological operations. However, despite these promising findings on pineapple's recovery benefits, further research is necessary to fully comprehend its capabilities. Number 3. Potential arthritis symptom alleviation. Bromelain, found in pineapple, may have anti-arthritic effects. Bromelain remains active in blood and tissues after being absorbed. Consequently, its anti-inflammatory properties may offer relief to individuals experiencing arthritis symptoms. Number 4. Support bone health. Pineapple may contribute to skeletal well-being due to its copper content. A single cup of pineapple pieces provides 20% of the daily value of copper for adults. While calcium often receives attention for bone health, copper plays a crucial role by preventing the reabsorption of broken-down bone cells into the bloodstream. Moreover, pineapple contains manganese, a trace element vital for bone development. Manganese can enhance bone mineral content and improve bone density. Consuming foods rich in manganese may be particularly advantageous for women after menopause, as studies have indicated a link between low manganese levels in the blood and decreased bone mass. Number 5. Antioxidant properties. Pineapple offers more than just nutrients, it contains compounds that can combat oxidation and inflammation, potentially reducing the risk of long-term health issues. The antioxidants present in pineapples, such as flavonoids, assist in eliminating free radicals from the body. These unstable molecules can inflict oxidative harm and contribute to various health problems, including diabetes, heart disease, and certain types of cancer. Studies have indicated that the antioxidant capacity of pineapple is largely attributed to its content of phenolic compounds, flavonoids, and vitamin C. Research has also revealed that pineapple possesses a higher concentration of antioxidant substances compared to some other fruits, including avocado and dragon fruit. Number 6. Boosts digestion. One of the most notable compounds in pineapple is bromelain, an enzyme that aids digestion by breaking down proteins into amino acids. Bromelain is known for reducing bloating, promoting nutrient absorption, and supporting a healthy gut environment. Including pineapple in your meals can enhance digestion, especially after consuming protein-rich foods like meat or fish. Number 7. Potential immune system enhancement. Pineapple has been utilized in traditional remedies for many years. Its nutritional profile, rich in vitamins and minerals, contributes to its potential immune-strengthening properties, as suggested by a 2014 research study. The investigation involved 98 young participants over a 9-day period, who were assigned to consume either no pineapple, 1 cup, or 2 cups daily. The findings indicated that pineapple consumers had a reduced likelihood of developing viral and bacterial infections. Furthermore, the group that consumed the largest quantity of pineapple demonstrated higher levels of white blood cells compared to the other groups. Number 8. Possible cholesterol management support. High blood cholesterol, medically known as hypercholesterolemia, is a key risk factor for heart disease. Pineapple's antioxidant properties might contribute to cardiovascular health through its ability to lower lipid levels. Animal studies indicate that regular pineapple consumption could offer protective effects against high cholesterol, but additional human studies are required to verify these findings. Number 9. Rich in nutrients. Pineapple is packed with essential nutrients, making it a highly beneficial fruit. 1 cup provides 131% of the daily value of vitamin C, which supports a healthy immune system and aids in collagen production for skin health. It also offers 76% of the DV for manganese, important for bone health and metabolism. Additionally, pineapple contains 9% of the DV for both vitamin B6 and copper, 7% for folate, and provides 2.3 grams of fiber, contributing to overall health. Number 10. Potential cancer prevention. Consuming pineapple might aid in cancer prevention, as numerous cancers arise from oxidative stress. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme with anti-cancer properties that helps reduce oxidative stress. Research published in the journal Nutrients indicates that bromelain is also utilized in cancer treatment. Number 11. Possible pain reduction. In various forms of complementary medicine, bromelain has been utilized for pain management. Studies suggest that bromelain reduces inflammation and enhances blood flow at injury sites, resulting in decreased pain. It is believed to interact with bradykinin, a pain signaling molecule. Further research indicates that bromelain may be beneficial in managing pain associated with certain conditions, including osteoarthritis, nerve pain, and sports-related injuries. Additionally, bromelain might help alleviate pain and inflammation following surgical procedures. Research indicates that bromelain can decrease post-operative swelling, thereby reducing pain. Number 12. Promotes eye health. Pineapple contains beta-carotene and vitamin A, nutrients that are vital for maintaining good vision and preventing eye-related disorders, such as macular degeneration. Regular consumption of pineapple may improve eye health and lower the risk of age-related vision loss. Well, that covers all the essential health benefits of pineapple. Now, let's explore some frequently asked questions about this refreshing fruit. Question 1. Does pineapple have any side effects? Eating too much pineapple may cause mouth irritation or discomfort due to its acidity. It may also lead to digestive issues like diarrhea in some individuals. Additionally, people with allergies to bromelain should avoid it. Question 2. Is it safe to eat pineapple every day? Yes, it's generally safe to eat pineapple every day, but moderation is key. Pineapple is acidic, so excessive consumption may cause irritation to the mouth or worsen acid reflux in sensitive individuals. Question 3. Can pineapple help reduce the risk of chronic diseases? The antioxidants in pineapple, such as flavonoids and phenolic acids, may help neutralize free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and lowering the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and certain cancers. Question 4. Is pineapple beneficial for weight loss? Pineapples are low in calories and high in water content, making them a great snack for weight loss. Their fiber content helps with satiety, reducing overall calorie intake. Question 5. Is pineapple good for pregnant women? Pineapple is generally safe for pregnant women and provides nutrients like vitamin C and manganese. However, in very large amounts, bromelain may cause uterine contractions, so it's best to consume pineapple in moderation. Question 6. Is pineapple effective for reducing abdominal fat? Pineapple has gained attention for its supposed fat-reducing qualities. Previously, it was believed that this spiky tropical fruit, containing the enzyme bromelain, aided in breaking down fat. However, the reality is that it primarily assists in protein digestion. Question 7. Is consuming pineapple before bedtime advisable? Eating pineapple before sleep can be beneficial due to its potential sleep-promoting nutrients, such as vitamin C and magnesium. While pineapple doesn't guarantee an immediate enhancement in sleep quality, it can be incorporated into a diet that supports good sleep habits. Question 8. Can pineapple affect the taste of semen? Consuming pineapples, oranges, and other sweet fruits may slightly alter the flavor of semen, making it somewhat sweeter. This effect is mainly attributed to the fructose content in the seminal fluid. However, a significant amount of these foods would need to be eaten to perceive any noticeable change in taste. Question 9. How much pineapple is too much? It's important to be cautious when ingesting manganese, as excessive intake could potentially lead to cognitive issues. A daily serving of 1 cup of fresh pineapple is generally considered sufficient. This fruit, rich in vitamin C and beta-carotene, can be highly beneficial for skin health when eaten or used topically. Question 10. When should you avoid consuming pineapple? Individuals with gastroesophageal reflux disease may experience worsened heartburn or reflux symptoms due to the high acidity of pineapples and similar tropical or citrus fruits. Additionally, people with impaired kidney function should be cautious about eating too much pineapple, as excessive potassium intake can be detrimental to their health. Question 11. Is it safe to apply pineapple to your skin? Exercise caution when using pineapple on your face. The fruit's acidic enzymes can be too strong for facial skin if used excessively. It's advisable to limit application to once every 3 days. You might want to try this simple, natural face cleansing method. Question 12. When is the ideal time to consume pineapple? It's important to avoid eating pineapples on an empty stomach early in the morning, as this may lead to increased stomach acid. According to doctor, to gain the most benefits from this fruit, it's recommended to eat it at specific times during the day. The optimal periods for pineapple consumption are around 10 to 11 a.m. as a mid-morning snack or approximately 4:30 p.m. as an afternoon treat. Well, that's the end of the video. Thanks for tuning in to Benefit Hub for your dose of health and wellness tips. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Remember, your health is your greatest asset, so let's keep investing in it together. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and until next time, stay healthy and stay happy. See you in the next video.